Hello, good day everyone. So this video lesson is all about permutation and combination. So what is permutation? So a permutation is an act of arranging objects or numbers in order. Okay? So we use permutation when order matters. Okay? When order matters. So the formula is, okay, permutation is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial, where n is the total number of items and R is the number of items to choose or to arrange. Okay? To arrange. Okay? So again, ang tatandaan ninyo, kapag nakita ninyo sa problem na yung order ay nagmamatter doon, we are going to use the permutation. Okay? While in combination, ayan, so combinations are the way of selecting objects or numbers from a group of objects or collections in such a way that the order of the objects doesn't matter. So, kabaliktaran ng permutation. So, sa permutation, mahalaga ang arrangement or order. Okay, pero sa combination, dito nyo makikita yung selecting, choosing, okay? Kasi yung order, hindi siya nagmamatter. Or kahit anong order, okay lang. Kaya nga siya combination. Okay? So, ang formula natin for that is, ayan, combination is equal to n factorial all over r factorial times the quantity of n minus r factorial. Okay? So, same lang. N is the total number of items and r is the number of items to choose. Okay? So, tatandaan lang natin yon. So, pag hindi nagmamatter yung arrangement, okay, we have, or hindi nagmamatter yung order, we have combination. Pero pag nagmamatter, we have permutation. Okay? So, let's have some examples, okay, for you to fully understand it. Okay? So, here is our example number 1. Okay, so let me just read. So, 3 players were numbered as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, how many teams of 2 players can be formed? Okay, so, sabi dyan, 3 players daw. Ninumberan sila ng 1, 2, and 3. So, ilan daw yung teams, okay, of 2 players that pwede nating mabuo. So, since we are forming a team here, so i-identify muna natin kung ano yung gagamitin natin dito, right? So, ano kayong gagamitin natin? Permutation or combination? So, since forming of team yung pinag-uusapan natin, lagi niyong tatandaan, yung order doon doesn't matter. Okay? So, we are going to use the combination formula. Okay? Which is, ito yung formula natin. So, we can write it like that. Okay? So, n factorial over, we have r factorial times n minus r factorial. Okay. So, ganyan siya. So, yung n natin, okay, yun yung number of, okay, total number of items. Tapos, yung R natin is the number of items to choose. So, yung total natin dyan, of course, okay, yung 3 natin. Kasi ilan ba yan? Diba tatlo? So, we have 3 factorial over, yung R natin ay 2 factorial. Ay, sorry. Ay. So, 2 factorial times 3 minus 2 factorial. So, pag sinimplify pa natin yan, magiging 3 factorial all over 2 factorial times 1 factorial. Or lagyan natin para di kayo malito. Okay. So, ito, pwede siyang i-calculator. Okay. Pero pag manually naman, okay, turo ko muna sa inyo yung manually. So, pag sinabi natin factorial, ang mangyayari dyan ganito. So, 3 times 2 times 1. Pababa siya. Okay? Over, ayan, 2 times 1 times, yung 1 factorial is 1. And then, solve na natin. 3 times 2 times 1 is, 3 times 2, 6. Times 1 is 6. And then, 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. So, 6 over 2 or 3. So, therefore, there are 3 ways. Okay? When we are going to, ayan, to choose, okay? Or to form 2 players out of that 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, we have 3 ways. Okay? So, combination yan. Next, number 2. Okay? So, consider a set having 5 elements, A, B, C, D, and E. So, in how many ways 3 elements can be selected without repetition? So, out of the total number of elements. So, in here, we are only choosing elements. Okay? So, pipili lang tayo ng elements dito. We have 5 elements. So, therefore, there is no arrangement involved still. Okay? So, hindi kahit iba-iba yung arrangement, okay lang. Okay? Hindi siya nagmamatter dito. Okay? So, gagamitin ulit natin syempre yung formula ng combination, which is yung N, C, tapos yung R dyan. So, we have N factorial over R factorial times N minus R factorial. So, i-substitute lang natin. Ano yung N natin? Total number, we have 5. So, 5 factorial over our R there is, our R is 3. So, 3 factorial times 5 minus 3 factorial. Tapos, i-simplify natin. 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. Tapos, manually natin i-solve. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Tapos, in here, we have 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. So, inisa-isa lang natin na ito, galing siya dito. Then, ito, galing siya dito. Sa 3 factorial. Pinagsama na natin. So, kapag isosolve natin yan, 5 times 4, 20 times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120 times 1, so 120 pa rin. Next, 3 times 2 is 6, times 1 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 1 is 12. So, 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10. So, therefore, there are 10 ways, okay, that we can select 3 elements out of that 5 elements. Okay, so the answer here, the combination is 10. 10 ways, 10 possible ways. Next, number 3. Okay, so a group of 3 lone tennis players, ST and U. So, we have here ST and U. Then, a team consisting of 2 players is to be formed. In how many ways can we do so? So, again, team forming tayo ulit. So, again, no arrangement here or order, okay, is not important. Therefore, okay, we will use still combination. So, the formula is, ayan, so, n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So, our n here is, of course, we have 3. 3 factorial, then yung r natin, 2 factorial, then 3 minus 2 factorial. So, we have, direct na natin, 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1, tapos 3 minus 2 is 1. So, times 1. So, 3 times 2 times 1 is 6 over 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. So, 6 over 2 is also equal to 3. So, therefore, there are 3 ways, okay, we can form out of these 3 players. Okay? So, there are 3 ways. Okay? Next, example number 4. How many 3-letter words with or without meaning can be formed out of the letters of the word swing when repetition of letters is not allowed? Okay, so kung mapapansin ninyo dito, we are going to form a word. So, arrangement matters dito. Okay? So, hindi siya pwedeng magkabali-baliktaran. Okay? So, like for example, naka-form tayo SWI. Okay? Iba siya. Kunyari, magpo-form tayo. Okay? SWI na form natin. Magkaiba siya sa WIS. So, nagmamatter yung arrangement dito. So, therefore, we are going to use the permutation. Okay? So, yung ating permutation. Erase ko lang ito. So, yung formula natin for permutation, okay, is, ganito lang. Pwede siyang isulat as ganito din para di na kayo malito. Yan, NPR. Okay, then, we have n factorial, okay, over okay, so we have n factorial over n minus r, ayan, tapos lagyan na natin ng parenthesis, factorial, okay? So, yung n natin, again, ay, ano yung n natin? We have, ano yung magiging n natin dito? Okay? So, since yung given word natin na ira-rumble-rumble, I mean, pagkukuhanan natin para makabuo tayo ng 3-letter word ay ito. So, how many letters yan? 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4, and 5. So, we have 5 total. Okay? So, again, yung n is yung total ha. Total number of letters dyan. So, 5 factorial over n minus r is 5 minus, so since 3 yan, 3. 3 factorial. So, 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 factorial. Tapos, yan na. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1. Okay? So, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that will be equal to ilan? 5 times 4 is 20 times 3 is 60 times 2 is 120. Okay? Over 2 times 1 is 2. So, 120 divided by 2 is 60. So, therefore, there is 60. Okay? 60 ways to get or to form 3-letter words out of that given word swing. Okay? So, there are 60 possible ways. Okay? Next. Next is this one. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 if no digit is repeated? Okay, so again, we are forming a number here. Okay? And order matters. Okay? Kasi, kunyari, nag-form tayo. Ayan, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 5-digit numbers, diba? So, nag-form tayo ng 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6. Kunyari, ito yung first digit natin na na-form. Iba siya sa digit na ganito. Okay? Iba siya. So, order matters. So, gagamitin natin siya ng permutation formula. Okay? So, yung permutation natin, n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay? So, n minus r is we have, n minus r. N factorial pala muna. N factorial, so ano yung total number natin? We have 5, right? 5 digits. Over, ayan, yung n natin ay 5 din. Okay? Minus, so para sila, yung r natin, i-arrange din natin siya into 5. So, 5 factorial. Okay? So, in here, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Then here, 5 minus 5 is 0 factorial. So, ito ang tatandaan ninyo. Pag 0 factorial, okay, pag nakita nyo 0 factorial equal to 1 yan. Okay? Laging itong tatandaan. 0 factorial is equal to 1. So, ito, since 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 factorial, that is equal to 1. Tapos, proceed na kayo. 5 times 4, 20 times 3, 60 times 2, 120 times 1 is 120 over 1, or simply 120. So, there are 120 ways on how to form this 5-digit numbers out of this given 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. If no repetition, okay, is allowed. Okay? So, yun yung tatandaan ninyo. So, kapag hindi nagmamatter ang arrangement, gagamitin natin ay combination. Pero pag nagmamatter yung order, gagamitin natin lagi yung permutation. Okay? So, that's ends this for this video lesson. So, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.